Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have a passcode. Now add your fingerprint. First, make sure your finger and the sensor are clean and dry so scans register reliably. Once ready, unlock the iPhone and open Settings, then touch ID and passcode. You may be asked to enter your passcode. Go ahead. Tap Add a fingerprint and position your fingertip on the sensor. Lift and rest repeatedly as prompted so the phone captures multiple angles and edges for a robust template. Now you focus on variety. The phone needs different impressions of the same finger so it recognizes you reliably. When prompts ask for edge scans, rotate the finger slightly and repeat placements. Make sure you cover the pad, both sides, and the tip in separate touches. Use steady, moderate pressure, not too hard, not too soft, and avoid sliding the finger across the sensor. If the phone pauses, reposition and continue until the progress ring reaches completion. Once the progress completes, name the fingerprint and test it immediately by locking and unlocking the iPhone and using it for app authentication. If recognition is spotty, add the same finger again with slight different placement or enroll an alternate finger to cover more use cases. Make sure your screen protector isn't interfering. If problems persist, restart the phone and check for iOS updates. If that still fails, contact Apple support. They can advise hardware diagnostics or repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.